The Big School Project. The characters in this book are Seb, Declan, Nika, Max, and Tumi. Seb has a big black cat. The cat can sit on a hat. Declan laughs and says, "Look at the cat." "We need to dig in the sand," said Max. Tumi holds a small bucket and helps him. Nika finds a blue flag. She wants to clip it on the log. "Let's make it stand up," she says. Seb lifts a red brick. "It is heavy," he says. Max helps him hold it. The drum can crash when Seb taps it. "Clap, clap, clap," shouts Tumi, and they all join in. Declan digs a small hole for the log. The cat jumps in the hole and makes a mess of the sand. "Let's brush the sand off," said Nika. She uses a small brush and helps the cat sit neatly on the hat again. They add more flags and flip them in the wind. "Look at them flap," says Max, pointing to the bright flags. The friends drink milk and eat a snack. "It is the best day," says Seb. Finally, they look at their work. The brick, log, drum, and flags make a fun project. "Good job, everyone," says Tumi. "We did it together," says Declan. The sun goes down. The friends smile and wave goodbye to the cat.